lava, and good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, White Sunday here in Samoa. Hope everyone's doing well. Special fatal to our Ainga members. Hope everyone is doing well this Sunday. For today, it's fairly simple. I'm just gonna do a saka, and then I'm going to also do Uncle's ham for his tonai, and then I will head to Apia. So most of the cooking is taking place in Apia, where my kids are at my mom's house. So we're gonna have tonai there for White Sunday. Maybe wondering what in the hell is going on there. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I always get the elengi or the pirikaki cans and then put them in the bag here, so that when come Sunday I don't have the scraper. I just make one out of those rather than lying around. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share channel, guys. Let's get started. Saka's now on the heat. We're just gonna wait for it to finish, and then I'll check up on the ham later. Right, so the saka is almost ready. You guys saw there's no lid for the ulo. Man, the lids, I think the lids have legs now. We've been trying to find the lids for like with 7 ulos here at the kitchen, but that's alright. So that's why we're using a laufai there, because I've taken the lid for this one to where the ham is, the pots for the ham. So just so that cooks quickly. But we're almost done with the saka. Check up on the ham. Head to Apia. Saka is now ready. Very nice. I need to go cut up the ham. Right guys, so ham is now done. I'm gonna get ready now. Get the ham into the car, get the saka into the car. Yeah, gonna get ready now. We have to try and make it to Apia before the White Sunday church starts. guys, so finally here at church. This is my parents' church and also my brother's churches. It is the Uniting Christian Church of Samoa Urban Ministry. So we're just going to be here for go inside and watch the kids item.
Auto de niña soyalo ni whanau Maruranto waso whanitoa Tamata e whaino whiene Sāwaringa mai le nalo Ka mai ke o mai le nei ka ao Ia tēne lama whawhi ka uri Leilani, Faith, e te watu ta titi O te papa te wha Eliana kau le alo O te papa ki swati a te oe, swafo te mānalo, maranga apa ia. Amen. Te whamanuia, le ri a te oe. Tausi a te oe. Le whapapula atu e le li o na fofonga i a te oe. Maanga le le atu i a te oe.
Tarofa lava.
Oi tui moa.
Loi no e penesono nisemo.
Loni no pulsación.
No kuya na nanga o nisemo.
Oh, le rei te le a. A waila le moa. O tō nana.
Potasi.
Potasi. A whio ye papa. Oi so le te le o tō a. Tō angala whai whi awa nana wailoa.
Yo.
Ia. O. Kia pōsa ia i ona manawa le ia.
Chulu po, chulu o.
Rei te le o tō.
Alright guys, so church is halfway done now, but gonna head home and help out my older brother finish off with cooking so that by the time the kids get home, the food is ready. Good man. Got Jovia cooking.
That's right.
Mambo! What are they up to? Steak. Pretty much sorted. Potato salad. More potato salad. Oh.
Tinha se colocou final. Dia, mà
Thấy mà. Ở đây có mê phết mẹ ấy.
ra chỉ cả coi lên movie thì mà coi lên movie hiểu lắm đi họ ôm mẹ mà dia ini kasih dua kurva. Eu fui lá, essa ali eu fui. Oleh steak, baldo sosisi, supo male bianga. Yuk. Berkali. Kasih for steak.
Waiting for the kids to finish eating, and then it's time for the adults. Today's White Sunday, so kids always eat first, and the elders do the fit-outs.
2 feet down on the floor. All I wanna do is take you home.
some rest now so that we can make room for ice cream later on. We'll see you in a bit. Guys, sorry, lost track of time there. We couldn't get to the ice cream, so yeah, we woke up and it was a bit too late. And as a result, we're just heading home now, back to Kualifang. Yeah, had too much to eat today. Even the kids had too much to eat as well, so we're just yeah, just lost, you know. But hope you guys enjoyed today's content, especially our White Sunday, the kids as well. Not our usual cooking, but probably do something a bit different for this episode. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. Tomorrow is a public holiday here in Samoa, so we'll be heading out to Dad's grave just for a few cleanup and stuff. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.